Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Looks like we're in between snowstorms here in North Carolina. Why don't you stop by the shop? We're open. We'll be here till 5. I'm going to do Fire and Rain by James Taylor.
Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. And I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. But you look down upon me, Jesus. You gotta help me make a stand. You just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I can't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind to an easy time, back turned toward the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Time on the telephone line, talking about things to come. Sweet dreams in flying machines, in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again now. Thought I'd see you one more time again. Just a few things coming for me this time around now. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you.
There you go, little James Taylor on a Saturday. Good North Carolina boy. If you go down near Chapel Hill, you'll find the James Taylor Bridge. I noticed that we drove over it one time, and I went, hey, I guess he's from North Carolina. Turns out he is. All right, folks, hope you're having a great weekend. We'll be out of town from February 1st to like the 8th, but the store will be open. Chris will be here taking care of it. Stop by and bug him. All right, we'll see y'all later.